13 years. Okay.
Yeah, from 91 to 97. I was doing at A level. I did PCB stroke maths.
Good afternoon, everyone.
I reached an exam and the thing doing what I had read, and it helped me to pass. You can also apply the step for mathematics and the science calculation units. You can do practice, because for me I used to get 30 in math, 15 in math, but by the time I reached the senior 4, I even got grade 3, and I did it even at A level. Thank you.
This is a load that we are going to carry as all the students. We had some old students who are asking us that this is a government school. Why is it that the government doesn't buy books for the school? But then we told them, forget about the government. This is our school. It is our school. This is the school that made us what we are now. So whether the government gives the school books, whether it doesn't give them books, for us we'll buy the books and we'll restock the library until it becomes the best library in the country.